Hi guys, I thought I'd just make this quick video now on the simplest way to understand a trade signal and how to place a trade in the markets. So first of all, this is what a signal will look like when I send it through. This was one I sent through last week. If you wish to place these signals, obviously this is at your own risk. I'm no financial advisor, so just as a little disclaimer, I do it more for educational purposes. But anyway, should you want to execute these signals, this is everything you're going to need to know. So first of all, you want to download an app called Metatrader 4. Now you can use Metatrader 5 as well. I just like to use Metatrader 4 because of its simplicity. So once you've downloaded the app, if you click the settings icon in the bottom right corner and hit new account, you will be faced with two options. So the first one is open a demo account. I would probably recommend this for anyone who's new to trading, and at least to place a couple of trades that I send through, just while you get to grips with understanding how things work in the trading industry. So if you hit open a demo account and then you'd click MetaQuotes demo and you just fill in the information that it shows, there's about 6 sections to it. It will take literally minutes, and then you're good to go. The other option is to log into an existing account. Now, anyone doing this probably will know, but should they not, basically, once you've signed up with a broker and they give you a server name and number and a login sort of details to use when you get to that server portal. Now, I personally use IC Markets as my broker. I've just had very good experience with them. Fast withdrawals, and I've been using them for years, very low spreads. But should you need any further understanding on how brokers work and who to go with, you can always reach out to me on message or any social media. Now that's out of the way, once you're logged into your account, you click quotes in the bottom left. I personally, at this current time, only trade GBP USD. This is recorded in April 2024, so things could change, but for now, I'm keeping things simple and sticking to one pair and one session. When I send through a signal, the pair is always stated, and for now it's just GBP USD. So when you see that, if you click GBP USD in your quotes tab and click trade, you will probably see a screen that looks exactly like this. So I will always send through what order type it is, whether it's a buy or a sell, a buy stop, sell limit, buy limit. You'll get to terms with them as well in the near future. In this case, it's a sell limit. So where it probably says market execution for you, if you just click that and it'll come up with a drop down menu. If you click sell limit, then it changes how the interface looks. The next thing you need to do is calculate a lot size. So a lot size is used to help indicate the size of position you want to purchase within the markets. In order to calculate this, you need to know what risk you want to use in terms of percentage, whether it's 1%, 2%, 3%. Obviously, if you're starting out, you probably want to use 0.5% or 1% per trade, which is completely up to you, but it's just good risk management. And you then need to know the stop loss size. So I send through the parameter and then I send through the figure in pip size. So as you can see here, it says 8.9 pips, and that's the size of your stop loss. So you can calculate this manually, but it is way quicker to use an app called Stinu. Now that's what it looks like, and it's available in the App Store and probably in the Play Store as well. It's a simple calculator and it only costs about £13 a year to have access to. So once you've downloaded this is what the calculator interface looks like. So let's say, for argument's sake, we're using a $100,000 account. We want to risk 1% per trade, and as stated earlier, the stop loss size is 8.9 pips. If we click the arrow pointing to the right, we then select our currency pair, which I've stated as GBP USD, hit calculate, and then we get to this screen. So the numbers highlighted in blue, the left column shows the stop loss, which you will have inputted, which should say 8.9 pips in this example, which it does. And the right column is the lot size you're going to want to use, which in this case is 11.24. So where it says on my screen now, 8.00, you want to click this exact same box. It might say something different, it might say 0.01. You want to input that lot size, which was 11.24. So now everything else is just very, very simple. So price will be stated as entry price in my signal, which in this case was 1.26765. So you go ahead and copy and paste that. So 1.26765. Then the stop loss, which I stated was 1.26856. and then the take profit, which was 1.26604. The final thing that you may need to do, or may want to do, is set an expiry. Now, I'll send this across sometimes when we are 30 minutes either side of a major news release. This is just one of my rules, as you will see for yourselves that major news release often causes volatility in the markets. Just in case you end up missing an expiration that I set though, once we reach that expiration time, I will always message and give you a reminder to manually close the existing limit order that you will have placed, and then you simply just click place and it will come up in your interface and you just wait for price to tag you in. So that's pretty much everything you need to know on this topic for now. Obviously there are other bits and a lot of stuff involved in Forex, but when it comes to placing a trade, this is exactly how you would do it, especially in line with the signals I send should you want to place them. So I hope this video helped, and if you need any further guidance or have any questions, please do give me a message. Speak soon.